This video shows how to replace the filter on an Elkay ezH2O bottle filling station. And if you have an older model, how to reset the counter and filter light. Here are the tools you'll need to replace the filter. Start by putting on safety glasses and cut-resistant gloves, as metal edges can be sharp or rough. Begin by removing the 4 5/16" screws from the lower panel. Set these screws aside. Turn off the water supply, then dispense water to relieve pressure through either the bubbler or the bottle filler. Turn the filter clockwise 1/4 turn to remove the filter, empty it of water, and dispose. Remove the red cap from the new filter. Insert the filter into the existing filter head and turn fully counterclockwise. Make sure the front label is facing forward. Turn the water supply back on. You'll want to run a minimum of 2 gallons of water through the filter to purge air and any fine carbon particles from the filter, so run the water for at least 2 minutes. On newer models, the filter status light will automatically reset once your new filter is properly installed. Here's how to reset the filter status on older models. Remove the top cover of the bottle filling station by unscrewing the 2 torx screws and lifting the cover up. Set the screws aside. At top right, you'll find the program button. Depress this button for approximately 2 seconds until the display below changes, and release. The display will scroll through 2 messages, Reset Filter and Settings. When the display is on Reset Filter, depress the button again. Now the display will change to show Filter Equals. Depress the button again and the display will show Filter Equals 0. When the green LED is illuminated, the filter monitor has been reset. Replace the top cover of the bottle filling station by replacing the 2 torx screws you set aside. Then replace the lower cover using the 4 screws. And that's all there is to it. Taking care of the filter in the Elkay ezH2O bottle filling station is as quick, clean, and green as the unit itself. Elkay puts cleaner, healthier water within everyone's reach.